Hello, this is Rose from Loopingly Made. Today, we're going to learn the corner to corner crochet technique. C2C is such a fantastic technique you can use to create many amazing projects. So, let's begin.
So we're going to be making a corner to corner crochet rectangle. If you saw my last tutorial on the corner to corner crochet making a square, you realize that we need to make a triangle first before we can make a square or rectangle. So if you haven't, please see that video and make a triangle first. Then you can come back to this and we'll level it up to make a rectangle. So we are on here now, 3 and 4. Now we have to go on and make row 5. Okay, so we're going to be leveling up now. We will level up with our slip stitches. So we will turn, and make our slip stitches across. Now just repeat chain 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. So with our hair, we've made 3 bricks. Now we need to make the 4th one because we do have a square here, a brick to work. So we will go on and join. In C2C, the chart basically gives you the direction. It tells you what to make and when to make it. That's, the most fun part of C2C, especially when you're working with colors. So we've done our 5th brick right here. We're going on to row 6. And row 6, we need to increase because there is a brick right on top of the brick on row 5 to make. So we have to increase the chain 6, skip 3, double crochet in the 4th, in the 5th, and in the 6th chain. And we'll continue to repeat that. Join, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. So repeat that across. And then the last brick on row 6. double join and turn, level up. We're going to level up from row 6. We're leveling up because there's nothing up here to work. There is nothing to increase to. So it's in front and not on top. So we're leveling up, we'll make slip stitches and make row 7. So go ahead and repeat that. Level up, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. Join to the next break into the chain 3 space of the next break. Chain 3, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. And I'll meet you right here. Here we are. We're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. We're making 4 bricks for row 7. So join and make the last brick. We're done with increasing the bottom rows. They have 7 bricks here and it's reflected in our swatch. So now we're going to level up the side to start decreasing our rectangle. We're not increasing because there is no brick here. There is no brick to increase to. There's no brick on top of in front of the brick on row 7, rather it's on top of it. So now we have to level up, slip stitch. So I've turned now with a slip stitch, chain 3 and double crochet in there, 3 double crochets. Now repeat the same, join, chain 3, 3 double crochets in there. So we're just going to repeat this again. Okay, we're going this way. So we have 3 bricks up there. And we will join and level up. We're almost done now. We're going to level up, slip stitch across, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and join, turn, level up, now we will make our last brick, row 10. Join, let's fix this part by leveling up, turn, and slip stitch across. And there you have your corner to corner crochet rectangle swatch. So it's as simple as can be. All you need to do is practice. The more you practice, the better you become, and hopefully this tutorial helps you to love corner to corner crochet. So look out for another video on changing colors in corner to corner crochet. Thank you for joining me on this video. Thank you for subscribing to Loopingly Made. God bless you.